This is one of the most reliable and practical SUV dito sa atin sa Pilipinas. I got you ulit.
No broke boys, no new friends. I'm not pressure, give me my test. Ain't no lie, ain't no shade.
So this is the 2020 Toyota Innova E automatic transmission. Exterior-wise, fresh original paint at may itlog ng alien dito. Hindi siya auto-retractable side mirrors. 16 inches alloy wheels, makakapalang tires at sa harap. Halogen headlight, fog lamps at functional grille para sa intercooler turbo at 6 ang ending. At pagdating sa engine, it's a 2.8 liter 4-cylinder turbo diesel automatic transmission engine. At syempre, napakaganda ng kondisyon ng makina nito at sobrang daming parts na available and at the same time, super tibay din. Sa pinakalikod, orig and intact pa yung mga lens, may rear spoiler at sa trunk. Maluwag ang trunk space, kasya ang groceries and dead bodies. Hindi, joke lang. At dito sa loob, intact na headliner, fresh fabric seats, may cup holder dito, well-designed na dashboard, infotainment system, climate control, eco mode, power mode, storage spaces, automatic transmission with plus-minus, cup holder, center console, at maayos na steering wheel. May mga controls dito. Analog display with 47,000 kilometers on the clock only. Sa second row, okay ang leg, shoulder, and headroom. 6 patanghit ko. Meron siyang aircon controls at 2 air vents. Sa pinakalikod, maluwag naman siya. Kaya kung gusto mo ng family car and at the same time power, yes, I mean power kasi sobrang powerful talaga ng engine nitong kotse na to. Ito ang perfect car nyo. For only 895,000 pesos, mauuwi mo na to. Open to for cash, trade-in and financing. Kaya tumawag ka na, reserve mo na to. Peace out.